North Carolina don't.
Well, I mean, speed up. Damn, lady. Butt hurt much? There's no one behind us.
Alright, there's some crazy truck driver, XPO. Let me show you something. Look at the axle on the second trailer, the dolly axle. Look at it. Look at the dolly axle. Wow, this is crazy. Look at it, how angled up. It's off the ground. It's a broken axle. Driver doesn't know anything about it. It's super dangerous. If that axle, if that dual tire comes off, it's gonna fly right the other direction, and it's gonna hit something over there. Look at that, man. I am so glad I make him understand and stop and looked at it. The dolly axle is f***ed up.
No, because you can't. I know, but I don't. I told you. No, it's not rude. It's exerting my rights because one question leads to 100. Yeah, but I have the right not to listen to you. You have a good day, sir. I want to just get my shots.
Apple Watch Series 5. I'm an Apple Watch user. Not a lot of people that I know personally are, but I see them everywhere. The Apple Watch Series 5 will start at $399 for the GPS version and $499 for the cellular. And it has an always-on display.
Well, last night was a ridiculous disaster of television epic presidential election proportions. NBC with Donald Trump was an interrogation. ABC was a picnic. Joe Biden took tons of breaks.
Continue straight for 4 minutes to exit 33. Left-hand drive.
But it proves a couple things. The media
Record ever set. He knows more about the MVP's dating habits than the MVP does.
He averages more right swipes than left.
Even his stats have stats. You take a cold sip of Heineken, he keeps going. But at least the human encyclopedia is teaching you stuff. With a bottle of ice cold Heineken, you give him a little toast while saying,
Cell phone free vehicle, my ass.